Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mr. Saucedo's YouTube videos. Today, we're going to be talking about our Google Classroom teacher tip number 7. And so, this is going to be all about how to push out assignments to multiple periods all at once. So, suppose you're teaching multiple classes throughout the day and you have multiple Google Classrooms set up. And so, I would like to maybe push out an assignment not just to one period, but to multiple periods. Thankfully, you can do that pretty easily. So I already showed you how to reuse posts. I'm going to reuse another post again, though. So let's say I would like to reuse this worksheet. So I'm going to make that visible by clicking on reuse. And then notice that you have 4. And so it says, for what class are we talking about here? Well, if you have multiple classes, you can just select multiple periods and then click assign, and they will instantly be posted to all of those Google Classrooms that you selected. Now, keep in mind, you can't schedule them though. So if you have, watch, I'll show you. So if you have one class selected, it'll allow you to schedule that at a particular time. On the other hand, if you have 2 or more classes selected, notice that schedule is going to be kind of grayed out. So if you want to schedule something, that means you can't really use this method, but you could technically post all of them and then edit them later on to schedule them at a different time. That's totally doable. Once you've posted them to your classroom, then this schedule will become available for that particular class only. So you'd have to go to multiple periods and kind of, select them, but still it's something that you would be able to do. And so that was it. If you have any questions, let me know.